안녕하세요. 트와이스입니다. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby boy ng Bacolod, fellow K-pop and one's bestie, Andre Martin, and I am here with my fellow one's besties. This is
King Angelo.
Hi guys, welcome. Hello, hello. Ayan, di ba? We're celebrating. We're celebrating another comeback full album. This is for ano nyo naman, comment naman and like and subscribe naman for our efforts for the comeback. Yes, effort. This is how we celebrate the comeback of our girly pops. And yes, I am holding a light stick na may once are creative. Innovation. Okay, so before anything else, this is for, we're like a few minutes late lang for the premiere. Kasi nag-prepare pa kami. Diba? Give nyo naman. Give. Ayun. Okay, before anything else, bias check and bias wrecker. So I'll start with King.
Bias, Mina, Vice Wrecker, Gio.
Ooh. Oh, Angelo.
Bias, Chewy, Bias Wrecker, Mina.
Oh. Bias, of course, Chaeyoung. Bias Chaeyoung and bias wrecker Jonghyun Sana. But of course, we are OT9.
Yes, of course.
OT9. And you all know, guys, that they'll be coming back in Manila. Or this October 3? October 3?
Mm-mm.
May ticket na kami? Wala pa. Kasi wala pang ticket announcement as of today of posting. Wala pa. And wala pang pera. Ano na? Meron yan, meron. Meron yan. Manifest.
Gagawa ng paraan.
Gagawa
ng paraan.
Nabenta ko na yung kidney ko.
Mama, after ng comeback, kidney. Okay, sige. Before anything else, if you're into K-pop or if you're a ones like us, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, guys. Mas active din ako doon. And yeah, comment down your thoughts about the music video. Ready na ba? Ready na ba?
Yeah.
Pero 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
So
Ang
short.
ikli. Kaya also, please watch our album reaction on link below. And if you're wondering, yes, this is a new shirt for their new tour. If you also want to buy, make sure to check out the link down below. Nasa TikTok shop. Okay. Ah!
Huh?
Oh! English, no?
Hindi mo na alam ko ng English.
Wow!
Sana walis na.
Ah! Oh!
Mina
Oh my God! Ang ganda ni Mina! Oh!
Momo.
So turn it up! Galing!
Ganda ng outfit nila.
Oh!
Oh, Gio. Hey.
Oh! Ang ganda! Gets! Very urban yung
Oh, yeah, urban.
concept. Ganda ni ate mo, girl. Ang cute. So,
Mina! Gio.
oh. Ito sa teaser. Ang nakakainis yung bubuyog.
Sa padel.
Oh.
Okay. Yes.
Cute.
Bilis mo. Yun.
Pag itzy. Okay. Okay, ang bilis.
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis. I don't know where to start kasi
Pag-play, ano ganun eh.
oo,
Pasok agad,
pasok
wala
agad. For me, it's nice to see the urban concept.
Mm-mm.
Very city, very
Urban
city,
gals.
urban gal, or urban chick.
Yeah,
Mga
urban
ganun.
chic, yeah.
Ang saya lang. Pero ang bilis. Parang,
Ang bilis.
yun na yun. But they served.
Yeah.
They served.
Tsaka gusto ko yung concept nila kasi parang sa video, parang may mga unwanted circumstances.
Ah,
like
I
yung
get-
kaya may nalaglag. So
Yes,
parang
yes.
parang pinapakita na yung vulnerable side nila na not all the time na
Should be perfect.
should be perfect. So good yon. I like that concept.
Parang yung personality nila, pinakita din nila
Oo.
more on the video.
Lang masyadong dead air. Yung parang may
Yes.
storyline, di ba? Usually, may mga,
Yes.
ano sila, mga scenes sila na parang maglalakad. Konti,
Yes.
Dire-diretso. Kaya 2 minutes lang siguro.
Even the verses doesn't feel like a verse.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang chorus. Quick verse. Chorus. Quick verse. Parang hindi ko nga na-notice yung bridge eh.
Oo nga.
Ang bilis, actually.
And the outfits, good.
The outfits,
Slay.
Anong favorite outfit mo? Yung
Yung puti.
yung parang hip-hop nila
Yeah,
na.
gusto ko din yun. And yeah, very eye-catching yung naka-red sila.
Yeah, yung red is their color
Yeah.
talaga. As in, give ko talaga sa kanila. Masasabi niyo ba kung sino nag-own ng music video or parang napa-starstruck sa inyo? I think Sana.
Basta
Yeah,
ako,
oo.
basta akong maraming screen time si Joey, okay na.
Sa screen time bumabawi. Pero
Tsaka
sa
parang si ano din, si Cheong.
yung give.
Skateboard.
Oh, yeah, yan yung that part.
Actually, lagi talaga si Jonghyun nasa kotse, no?
Oo.
Is it because she knows how to drive?
Kaya yun, ayaw nila si Nayon mag...
Moonlight Sunrise siya din.
Oo.
Di ba?
Hindi ganda.
In fairness, so, I think, panoorin namin ulit. Okay, what you guys think? Please do watch our reaction sa album Reaction. Duh. Ayun, thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Stay safe. And this is for all my ladies. We love you. We love you twice. Sana you'll be watching this.